Everything begins with a dream, with an idea, with a desire to do better. Years pass, technical knowledge grows, experience grows, machines grow, the factory grows, goals grow. And one day, you no longer just produce machines. You build a system. You create technology. You build a brand. Today, Komman Machinery, with its 5,600 square meter production facility, 27 years of experience, and exports to 96 countries, continues to operate in many parts of the world in the production of industrial carpet washing and car wash machinery. Because we don't just produce machinery, we produce business. We produce speed. We produce quality. We produce profit. Komman Machinery, more than a machine.